Able to find Vernon Davis, who thought he was going to go up and over Amukamara, and Amukamara's
So keep it together.
Here's a pass caught for a first down. He wasn't touched, and Seattle's going to take over Reynolds. Patrick, open it up there. Wide open, drops the ball. Eagles pick it up. They've got the turnover. Marshall had
Jared Brown running out of the pressure and looking like Michael Vick. Jared
Carr. Out of bounds with 5 seconds left in the